guys, it's Kim and Jade with 5 Minute Cloth, and we are here to show you our favorite flat diaper fold. So it is day 3 of the flats and hand washing challenge. So far things are going really well, but I just wanted to show you the fold that's working the best for us, and it's pretty much the only fold I'm using. So let me show you. So my favorite fold is called the Pickman Fold, and I will show you the fold first, and then after that I'll go through 5 reasons why I like this fold. But I have a large Green Mountain diaper muslin flat. You take one corner and fold it up a couple inches, about 5 inches or so from the far corner, making a triangle shape. If you have one that's misshapen, you can just fold this down. Okay, and then you take this corner and pull it back, and this is going to make the wings. So you have a nice wing here, and this is going to be how thick your diaper is between the legs. If you like a really trim diaper, you can pull it even smaller here and have a longer wing. If you like it wider between the legs, you can fold it like so it'll be a little bit wider. I kind of like it right about here. And you take the far corner and pull it just so it matches right on that line, and pull the corner again so it matches back on this line. And then at this point you want to fold it in half right here, because these are going to be your wings, just like so. So here are your wings, the wet zone, and then you can customize the rise by folding under these, depending on how big your baby is. And when you put it on the baby, you can kind of roll the sides and fold it across. And there it is. Things I like about this diaper: one, it has very long wings. So for me, I like the longer wings because it's really easy to get on the baby. I like to kind of pull the wings really taut, and that helps to have longer wings to be able to do that. Another thing I really like, number 2, is how you can adjust how wide it is between the legs, depending on the kind of cover you are using or what fits your baby the best. Number 3 is how easy it is to add extra absorbency. You can just lift up the top flap, put in your doubler, your booster here. Number 4 is how easy it is to spray. You just have the wet zone right here. There aren't extra folds, so if you get a poopy diaper, it's just right in this main area. Number 4 is the adjustable rise. So for me, this is huge. If I don't fold it quite right the first time, on some folds, you just have to start all over if you don't get the rise right. On this one, you can literally adjust it as you put it on the baby. You can fold over the rise as you put it on the baby. Number 5 is how you don't waste absorbency on the hips. There's just these 2 thin layers for the wings. All of the absorbency is here in the middle. It's pretty much like a pad fold with wings. The reason that that's great is because you don't have all the bulk on the side, so this fits under pretty much any cover, and you also have your absorbency where you need it. So anyways, this is the Pikmin Fold. I will include the information about like the background of the lady who invented this fold if you're interested in learning more about her and how this fold got started. I will include her name and some information if I can find it down below. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you can...
Thank you for watching.
And make sure you subscribe so you can see the rest of this challenge and you don't miss any of our cloth diapering content.
Finish.
Bye.